There are a lot of AI lead generation tools out there, and they promise almost the same thing. Find ideal clients automatically, fill your pipeline, close more deals. But there is something you need to keep into consideration, especially if you're a beginner or you're a startup. You are going to pay every single month when you use these AI lead generation tools. And sometimes it is very complex to set it up. Like you need to add a custom APIs, you need to connect to your CRM. So if you are not a technical person, this must be an overhead for you. I have been testing both sides, AI lead generation tools and a Chrome extension called Lead Sniper, which does the same thing without an overhead. In this video, I am going to give you my honest comparison, no hype, so that you can make your own decision. Let me break down the three costs most people don't account for when they sign up for AI lead generation tools. 1. Monthly subscription. Most AI lead generation tools cost monthly, and you're going to pay around $47 or $49 to $400 per month, depending on the contact limit. All right, so now when you check this website, this is a comparison made by Lindy. They are also an AI lead generation platform, right? So they made this comparison, and this is their two, right? So we are going to talk about their pricing comparison that they did over here, and we are going to confirm on 3 platforms, which is Apollo, Clay, and Instantly AI, right? So you can see on Lindy themselves, you are going to pay $49.99 per month, right? When you check Apollo, you are going to pay it's also 49, sometimes 59. And also we have Clay over here, and the Clay is $149 per month. And the last one I'm going to talk about is Instantly AI, which is $37 per month, right? Yeah, so there are a lot of things out there, there are a lot of tools out there, and I think this post is even kind of old, right? We are going to the website itself to confirm if Instantly AI is exactly $37 per month. The same applies to other two, right? So first of all, let's go to Apollo, and you can see Apollo is $49 per month. So you can see we have this category. We have the outbound, inbound data enrichment, right? So I think the list that the comparison that Lindy did was made some few years back, right? But currently you can see that Apollo has $49 per month subscription. So just imagine if you want to subscribe for 10 good months, you are going to pay $490. That is for Apollo, right? Then the next one is Clay, and you can see with Clay you are going to pay $167 per month. So that's even the annual payment, right? If you want the monthly, you just click on monthly, and you're going to see that you need to pay $185 per month, right? Yes, and they have some free tier over here. And when we go to Instantly AI, you are going to pay $47 monthly. Okay, yeah. So Lindy said it's 37, but on their main website it says 47. So maybe there might be an upgrade, right? So you can see the pricing is so crazy. You can see with this you're going to pay $470 if you want 10-month subscription. So now let's check Lead Sniper's pricing, right? Then you judge for yourself, right? So let's go to this website, so leadsniper.com. I'll leave the link at the description. Right now you can see with their Google Maps scripper, you're going to pay $149 one-time payment. So that means you're not going to pay on monthly basis. When you pay it once, lifetime. You can even will to your family members, right? Yes, so that is how their pricing is. Okay, and one thing about this is that you are going to get updates, right? So if there is any technical change, they are going to cause changes to it. So anytime you'll be using the updated tool. Cost number 2, AI tokens. Tools that uses AI to enrich, score, or to personalize leads uses API tokens. So the more you are enriching, scoring, or personalizing your leads, the more the API tokens are burning out. And when it finishes, you need to buy. So that means you need to pay more. Number 3, Setup complexity. See, most of these tools think you as a beginner, as a startup, you already know how to use Zapier or you know how to use CRM for automations. So you need to connect that, and that is very, very complex. I am going to show you how you can use the Lead Sniper to gather business leads. But before that, those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server that can send 20k of emails per day, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comments. And there is an upcoming course that will be teaching you how you can use AI to build a mobile app from scratch, right? Without you writing a single line of code, right? Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you like this video. If you have any comment or question, just leave it at the comment section. Now let's get into it. So first of all, I am going to show you how you can get this Lead Sniper. Right now, I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment, right? Just click on it and you'll be redirected to their page, right? All right, so all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see start your free trial today. And you can see we have add to Chrome and add to Edge, right? For the purpose of this video, I am going to use the Edge browser. So I'm going to click on add to Edge, right? So I'm just going to click on that, click get, click add extension. Now click view extension and pin the extension, right? Just like that. Now the next thing is to click on this icon, right? The Lead Sniper icon. So the next thing to do is to enter our keywords, right? So that will be the business model and the location you want the lead from, right? So I'm going to do that in a jiffy and I'll be back, right? I'm going to enter some couple of keywords over here. All right, so as you can see, I've entered 13 keywords, which is 13 queries, right? So what I'm going to do is that I am just going to scroll down and click on start scripting. So I'm going to wait for it to finish with the extraction of the leads. Then after extraction of these leads, we need to send these leads, and I'm going to show you the tool that you need to connect with this workflow, right? So that when you extract these leads, you can send your message or your services to those leads. So as you can see, we have extracted 1015 leads, business leads, right? So I'm just going to click on Sniper over here, scroll down till I see pause scripting. Then I'm going to click on stop to stop the extraction. So you can see we have our data now. I'm going to click finish and close, right? Scroll down till we see view data. So just click on that and you're going to see all the list of data you have been able to script or extracted, right? So you can just click on export over here. Then you can export as a CSV file or an Excel file, which is XLSX, right? So I'm going to use CSV and also JSON if you are into developing, right? So I'm going to select CSV, yes, and you can see it has downloaded automatically. I'm going to just click to open it. So this is it. I'm going to open it with my Microsoft Excel. You can also open it with a Google Sheet, right? So this is the data. Just take a look at this. This is the data. So it has the keyword, it has business name, business address, business phone number, business email address, and a whole lot of data. AI lead generation tools like Instantly, Apollo, Clay AI, they are all very powerful. They are feature rich. They are great for large teams with budget. But you are paying every single month. You are managing tokens, you need a technical setup, and your output is capped by your pricing tier. On the other hand, Lead Sniper, one-time payment, unlimited extraction, no AI credit, no learning curve, right? You just set it once and you start using without any problem. So now the choice is yours. I'll make sure I'll leave the link of Lead Sniper at the description and also at the first comment. make sure you go and check it out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you love this kind of content. And those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server that can send 20k of emails per day, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link in the description, also at the first comment. If you have any question, suggestion, or any headache, just leave it at the comment section and I'm going to reply to you as quick as possible. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.